my God, Emma, can you hear me? Emma, can you hear me?
Where am I?
This might come as a shock to you, Emma, but you were in an accident. And for the last 14 years, you've been in a coma.
What year is it?
The year is 2033, and as you can imagine, a lot of things have changed. I hate to be the one to tell you this, but do you remember Boo, the dog on Instagram that looks like a teddy bear?
Yeah.
Well, he died.
Okay.
His owners had to put him down.
All right.
He had heart issues and he was getting older. I'm sorry, do you need tissues or a paper bag to ventilate into?
No, I didn't follow any dogs on Instagram, so I'm okay.
Well, that's too bad. It's the only type of media that I can stomach these days. Ever since Frito-Lay paid a man to change his name to Chester Cheetah, and he became senator from Colorado.
What happened?
I don't want to talk about it. Hey, do you know Doug the pug?
No.
That's good. Because he died.
Well,
The owners had to put him down.
Okay. Can you tell me anything about my accident? What kind of accident was I in?
You were in a car accident. You were sitting in the passenger seat and you had a head-on collision.
Oh, I think I remember this. Jake was driving. Is he okay?
Jake the corgi was driving?
No, Jake, my boyfriend.
Oh, I was freaking out there for a second because Jake the corgi was in a car accident after Supreme Court Justice Napa Auto Parts ruled that dogs could have car driver's licenses.
Okay, I'm not talking about a dog. Also, what?
Don't worry, he was totally fine. He died a few years later.
Okay.
Owners had to put him.
Can you tell me literally anything relevant about my life?
Okay, I just didn't want to put too much on you. Now you've just woken, but both your parents are dead.
Oh my god.
Oh
my god.
They had to put him down.
Somebody killed my parents?
What? Oh, I see the confusion here. No, there's a dog on Instagram, and his name is both your parents.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
Okay.
Oh my god.
Emma, your body is weak, and stress is very dangerous for you, okay? So you need to relax, all right? Just take a breath. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm a little thirsty.
Okay, all right, great. Here, we'll just give you one of...
What just happened?
Oh, we have technology now that lets us beam nutrients directly into your body.
Oh my god, that's incredible.
Yeah, if you think that's incredible, check out this golden doodle on Instagram. His name is Toby, but it's short for Toblerone. Look at him. We regret to say that Toby has... Oh, no. Oh, no. Why do I have to live so long when dogs' lives are so short?
Okay. No, stop. No, you don't get to do this. Stop it. All right? I am going through a lot right now. All right? I've been asleep for 14 years. I missed all of my 20s. All right? I don't know if anybody that I know is alive or dead. And all you'll talk about is Instagram dogs. I don't care. Fuck you.
I'm sorry. I wish I was listening to what you were saying, but I was too busy searching for any info on why Toblerone died. It turns out the owners had to put...
I know!
Let the dogs out!